There are plenty of options to upgrade your ride by making it safer and smoother. The world of technology is always introducing unique gadgets to make our cars more comfortable. Whether it's charging your devices on the go, keeping interiors clean, or connecting your smartphone to your vehicle, these gadgets can no doubt make your car smarter, safer, more enjoyable, and more convenient. Ford worked with industrial 3D printing supplier EOS to create the locking nuts, which feature unique contours based on the driver's voice, similar to how some systems use biometric identification based on an iris scan or a fingerprint. Here, engineers record the driver's voice for at least 1 second, then use software to convert the resulting sound wave into a physical pattern that can be 3D printed. They can then convert the pattern into a circle and use the design for the indentation and key on the locking nut. The nut and key are designed as a single piece, then 3D printed using acid and corrosion-resistant stainless steel. What's more, inside the nut are unevenly spaced ribs and indentations to prevent a thief from making a wax imprint of the pattern, since the wax breaks when it's pulled from the nut. Ford says drivers could also use something like the car's logo or their initials to create the pattern if they don't want to record their voice. The system replaces conventional door mirrors with compact external high-resolution cameras linked to in-car monitors. These provide an enhanced view of the area behind and immediately alongside the vehicle in all driving conditions, almost eliminating blind spots and adapting automatically to give an extended view when the car is turning or reversing. The system is designed to fall within the driver's intuitive line of sight, so there's no need to significantly change your natural mirror checking action. However, the positioning of the mirrors on the inside of the car at the base of the A-pillars reduces the driver's workload by requiring less left-right head movement. The cameras are housed in slim aerodynamic cases that complement the elegant lines of the ES, while their smaller size reduces wind noise and improves the driver's forward diagonal view. The U1000 is ThinkWare's latest flagship dashcam. It's a 2-channel boasting all the features of its predecessor, the Q800 Pro, but with a 4K UHD resolution for its front-facing unit and a 2K Quad HD resolution for its rear camera. The U1000 is currently the highest resolution 2-channel dashcams available on the market. With the U1000, ThinkWare has gone with a completely different design from their previous cameras. Dimensions-wise, the U1000 is very similar to the Q800 Pro, but instead of having the camera lens on the long side, it's now on the narrow side of the unit. This way, when you attach it to your windshield, the U1000 looks less bulky and more discreet. The front camera is excellent, and the lens has an 8.42-megapixel Sony Exmor-R Starvis image sensor to deliver crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video quality at 30 frames per second. Ultra high definition is twice more detailed than 2K Quad high definition and 4 times more vivid than 1080p Full HD. The 150-degree wide-angle lens view minimizes blind spots so you can capture every little detail you may have missed before. Mobileye is the premier provider of collision avoidance systems. They are a Tier 2 supplier to the automotive industry. Other major automotive suppliers such as Delphi have integrated Mobileye into their core technologies. Mobileye's IQ chips are used by 27 of the world's auto manufacturers. Their aftermarket system increases driver safety by incorporating audible and visual alerts for pedestrian collision, lane departure, forward collision, and headway monitoring, as well as intelligent high-beam control and speed limit indications via road sign recognition. These warnings drastically reduce the overall chance of collisions, related costs, and minimizes the damages via early warning. Hudley is an all-in-one HUD that measures 7 by 5.3 inches HW. It's made of black plastic with a 4.0 by 3.0 inch adhesive base that allows it to firmly attach to your car's dashboard, but it's also easy to remove. The front of the unit features power, volume, and brightness buttons on the right and a speaker on the left. On top is a hinged see-through panel used for smartphone projection, while a similarly sized section underneath is the actual projector. According to Hudley, the coated plastic projection panel has a curved profile to magnify images, a light sensor automatically adapts to lighting conditions, and Hudley says it can get 35 times brighter than the average phone screen. These days, it's just common sense to have a backup camera whenever you hit the road. These cameras help you park more accurately, but they can also provide some solid legal protection if you're ever unfortunate enough to be in an accident. Nothing proves your innocence better than video footage. However, installing a camera on your vehicle can be more of a pain than an advantage without the right equipment. Many cameras require frequent recharging, which can be difficult to remember. As a result, some of the best backup cameras are solar-powered. These refill their batteries each time you expose them to the sun. With the right solar-powered backup camera, you'll never be without video footage or in-car monitoring when you need it. Dead battery. The CarAid Multi-Tool is an 18-in-1 gadget that will jumpstart your car with no jumper cables or second car needed. Plus, it'll also charge your phone and laptop, cut a safety belt, break a window, car in case of an emergency, and scare away an attacker. This multi-tool includes a flashlight and emergency SOS flasher, a burglar alarm, and a built-in compass in case you find yourself broken down at night. The CarAid multi-tool works with any car, boat, motorcycle, or ATV that uses a 12-volt battery. It's slip-resistant, shock-resistant, water and dirt-resistant, and fits easily into a car door, glove compartment, or cup holder. The TheEye CarView 3 is a uniquely designed 2CH dashcam and can be placed over any interior mirror with the included rubber holders. Thanks to its large 10-inch touchscreen LCD screen, it forms a high-quality digital interior mirror. The rear camera is displayed completely and very clearly on the large screen, and with one swipe on the screen, you can switch between the front and rear camera. At the touch of a button, the screen can also be switched off or put in standby mode with the time and date displayed. In this way, the CarView 3 GPS functions again as a normal interior mirror due to its handy design and rear camera. The TheEye CarView 3 GPS is also ideal to use as a parking aid when parking. The rear camera is supplied with an extra cable to this power supply that can be connected to the power supply of the reversing light. If the car is put into reverse, this automatically displays the rear camera on a large screen together with parking assistance indicators. The X5 Plus offers an accelerated streamlined charging option for all your devices. This new model now offers 2 USB ports in the front seat, including a QC 3.0 Qualcomm Quick Charge port for fast charging and a Type-A USB port. The back USB 3 port hub features a new USB Type-C port for charging any Type-C device, along with 2 standard USB ports. The X5 Plus takes flexibility to the next level with an enhanced 3-port detachable hub. Now, front seat passengers can charge their devices using the USB charger tangle-free. The detachable 3-port hub designed for the back seat can be removed and stored in the glove box until it's needed for additional passengers. Easily reattach the 3-port hub and charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. Until voice assistants are built into every car, you're gonna need something like the Anker Roa Viva Pro if you want to chat with Alexa through your car stereo. Fortunately for you, the Viva Pro's $72 works well. It easily connects you to Amazon's Assistant, letting it be your co-pilot during your drive. Plug the Roa Viva Pro into the cigarette lighter in your car, download the app, Android and iOS, and you're ready to go. The Viva Pro gives you 4 options for streaming audio from your phone to your car stereo, Bluetooth, USB, the aux cable, and FM radio. If you want to save a few bucks, go for the Roa Viva $59, which doesn't have the FM transmitter or the aux input and has an older processor and less sensitive microphones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.